Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you're doing fantastic. Listen, if you're new, make sure to follow the channel. We're going to be covering so many coins. I'm going to be giving you updates on our big boys on this channel like Turbo, Myro, PNG, Render, and other altcoins. Plus, I have a team behind me right now, and we are currently still kind of moving into the studio for when it comes to production. So, guys, videos will be better. Everything will be better. But look, on to Turbo, guys. We talked about this resistance zone over here, right? We talked about it when we go on the 2 week. This was our main key area where I said I think Turbo is going to pull back the furthest over here. You can watch back the other videos. I said it, right? I said, look, I think this is going to be the last zone where Turbo is really going to pull off or pull down, sorry. And, you know, I said even here, places like here, here, and here, I was like, guys, these are just overall great buying opportunities. You got to remember, we're not going to be getting these premium prices anymore, okay? We had months for those, okay? The cheapest of the cheap, right? We had months. Technically, you know, this was cheapest of the cheap, but when it came to having lots of opportunity, you know, 3 months of sideways movement, you know, there was lots of opportunity there, but the past is the past. What's next for Turbo? Well, I believe in terms of Turbo, we kind of bottom out in terms of the relevant price action. So what does that mean? Well, pretty much, right? Turbo is at all-time highs, near all-time highs, right? Anything above this line over here, right, is gonna be a gray zone, right? There is no previous price action. So we are going into unknown territory. So when I say Turbo is currently bottoming out at the relevant price, I mean at the last relevant support, right? This is the last relevant support. And I truly do think Turbo will not be reaching these prices once again, right? We do another bar right here. We can see there's also more support over here. And I think if worst case, we have a little spike like this, but overall, we're going to be looking to be aiming to go to these all-time highs, probably sell off a little bit before we pump again. Very, very, very exciting times for Turbo. Now, if we go on Turbo's market cap, I believe it's currently around 600 million. Well, 666. Wow, the devil numbers. Listen, guys, Turbo, if you don't know, it's a meme coin and it's part of the AI narrative as well. Okay, guys, I don't know what else to say. This has the top 2 narratives in this coin. Okay, it is looking fan-freaking-tastic, right? All the coins are unlocked, you know, relatively lower to medium market cap where we could still be making 10 to 20x. And that's on the more conservative side. When we look at something like Pepe, Pepe is almost at 10 billion market cap. You got to remember that, you know, the average person's still not here. Altcoin season is still not here. The degeneracy is still not here. So if something like Pepe is at 10 billion, then you got to think, damn, what's going to happen when the whole world wants in? You understand? Right? When we look at other coins like Dogecoin, it is currently sitting at 58 billion. Like, that is crazy, okay? The thing is, we're not even, like I said, at the top yet. We're not at the top of cycle. We're nowhere even near, guys. So we got Doge, we got Shiba, right? 15 billion. Like, that's something realistic that Turbo can hit. So there's still so many potential gains. Meme holders are going to be the biggest winners, right? You just can't buy something that's too small or too degenerate, like a 1 million market cap. That's very, very risky. But coins that have, like Myro, that has 100 million market cap, Turbo that has like 600 million market cap, you guys are still relatively early. You got to understand the wave isn't here. You got to realize how many people actually buy in near the tops, right? So many. We are still near the bottoms. So Turbo, I do think it's going to be pumping really, really hard. I still think Turbo has a minimum 20x to go. Okay, a minimum 20x to go. I am super excited. Let me know if you guys are excited. And guys, I'll talk to you guys next time.